iPhone season is here, and that means we have a bunch of cases in the studio to review for Apple's latest. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, the purple colorway, which I do really like with the matte finish. But we also have Pitaka's newest case, the Fusion Weaving MagEZ Case 3. This is $69.99. You can see it's open. I've been using it, but I wanted to throw it back in so you guys can see the packaging on here. This is Pitaka. We care for our planet. So we now have eco-friendly packaging from Pitaka. I've always liked their packaging, but we're going to just take this off and get right into the case review and check it out. The Pitaka, we care for our planet. Very nice, smooth, clean, and very easy to take out. Now, this is the actual case. Again, $69.99. So expensive case here. The Fusion Weaving Aramid Fiber. Now, we do have a little thank you. This is probably their product catalog. Yeah, so this is their catalog if you want to check out. And of course, I'll drop all the links below, guys. You don't have to worry about that. All of the links will be down below. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, drop a sub. And let's take a look at the case. So we do have the three colors, the red, the black, and the green twill on here. The branding on the bottom, the Pitaka branding. Now, we do have a raised lip around the camera, so it will be a little higher than the lenses on the iPhone. And, of course, all of the cutouts here. If you want a closed case, this is not going to be a case for you, but I do have a case coming from Pitaka. You guys can check that out. We got the Pro Series cases I will drop a separate video on. Now, on the inside, you can see we do have the Pitaka branding as well as the MagSafe emblem on here. So you're going to be able to tell right there, MagSafe compatible as well as MagEZ 2.0 compatible. And again, Aramid Fiber. Now, this case is not really going to protect you from drops, but it will give you one heck of a grip. And it will protect the back of your phone from scratching. But the grip on here, this is what this case is made for. And overall, just I'm a big fan. You guys know I'm a fan of Pitaka cases. I have these on every single phone that I do own. So the perfect fit on here. You can see the raised lip around the lenses here to give us a little more protection in case we do drop it flat on here. And on the sides, again, all of these cutouts on the bottom, on the side, and of course on the top. So again, if you want your edges covered, this might not be the case for you, but I do love the grip on here. I love the look of the actual Fusion Weaving and the twill. I think it looks really clean and a lot of grip. Again, it will protect against scratches. Very light case here. Again, Aramid Fiber, but that's really it, man. It's just a very nice case. What do you guys think of Pitaka's new Fusion Weaving case? Now, this is available, again, for every new iPhone, the 14, the 14 Max, the 14 Pro, and the 14 Pro Max. Available in different colors as well. I'll drop the links below, guys. You can check it out. But Pitaka's new Fusion Weaving MagEZ Case 3. Let me know what you think of this colorway and what you think of the price of this case. It is expensive. Let me know what you think, guys. Peace.